All right, look on the customary weight page. It says 4 pounds equals blank ounces. And where it says 7, that's number 7, 4 pounds. Number 9, 16 ounces. So like over here I circled, it's problem number 7, 4 pints. Problem number 9, 1 gallon. That's not a decimal, guys. All right, so then you look at your formula chart and write down what you know about pounds and ounces. It's taking it a minute to focus for some reason. So look at your chart and see what you know about pounds and ounces. So we know that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So then you're going to write that on here. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. And then think about this as an input-output table. So you can draw a line down the middle, make your box, and then separate that into 2 rows. So then on the left side, that's your input. And on the right side, that's your output. Then you need to think, how can I get from 4 to the blank? Since I'm going that way here, I have to go the same direction here. How can I get from 1 to 16? If it's getting bigger, you're going to multiply. If it's getting smaller, you're going to divide. It's getting bigger, so I know I'm going to multiply. And then I need to think 1 times what equals 16? Well, 1 times 16 equals 16. So if you multiply by 16 on the bottom, then what do you do on the top? Multiply by the 16. Good. So then I'm going to do 4 times 16 on the top. And you may have to come over here and work that out on the side. That's fine. Then you take that, and that is your answer. 4 pounds is 64 ounces. Now, some of these go backwards the other way, where you'll need to work this way. For example, on number 8, it says 2 quarts equals 8 cups. So then you need to think, what can I do to 8 to get to 2? So then you'll do the same thing to 32 to get to that blank.